Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to sign up Cryptology Wallet account. CryptologyGO allows you to buy, swap and manage crypto and your funds through your phone. To sign up Cryptology Wallet account, first open your CryptologyGO application on your mobile phone. With that, here you can see the option of create account. Tap on create account. Now here you need to enter your citizenship and residency. Tap on citizenship box and select the country from which your citizenship belongs to. With that, now tap on residency box and tap on the country from which you are or you belong to. After that, now once view through the terms and conditions and tap on the box stating that you agree, understand and accept those terms and conditions. Then if you like to receive information from the Cryptology, then tap on the given box. With that, tap on continue option. Now here you can see you can create your account with Apple ID, your Google account or your Facebook account, or you can also create manually. I'm going to create manually, so first enter your email on the given box. With that, now create your password. Make sure it contains over 8 characters, has uppercase and lowercase letter, has at least one number and one special character. Then repeat the password by entering the password that you have just entered on the given box. Make sure the password matches each other. With that, tap on the option of create account. With this, you'll be able to create your Cryptology account. This is how we can sign up Cryptology Wallet account. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.